Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Mario. I'm your host, Chef Mario, and today we are going to be cooking chocolate chip pancakes. Let's get started. Today we have the ingredients. We have milk, and we have the pancake mix, we have 2 eggs, and we have chocolate chips. We're going to be having 2 special guests making the pancakes with us. One of the guests is named Princess Peach. Come say hello.
Hello, today we're going to be cooking chocolate chip pancakes. The other guest is a very special guest from the sad movie era, Mr. Charlie Chaplin.
Today, our friends are going to be helping us with this pancake mix. Charlie, Princess Peach, will you come help me?
Yes, I will help you. Our other guest is a mime, so he can't talk. Putting the other one in, since Charlotte put in the last one. Now we're going to be putting in the milk.
This is an old-fashioned stove that we are going to be cooking our pancakes on, approved by Mr. Chaplin over here. Let's start putting them on. Alright, now since we have the pancakes inside of the pan, these are very special chocolate chips. They're Hershey's chocolate chips, dated back from 1893, which Charlie was a child. Now we're going to be flipping this pancake. Thank goodness we have electricity today, not like in your tenement home. Alright, now it's time to eat, guys! Now, Peach, do you want chocolate chips and powdered sugar on your pancakes?
Yes, Mario.
And Charlie, do you want powdered sugar and chocolate chips on your pancakes?
Mario, remember, he can't talk. He's a mime.
Fine, we'll just put it for him. Gosh, this looks yummy. Alright, Peach, this one's for you. Alright, there you have it, folks. Chocolate chip pancakes from the old days. Let's dig in. Thank you for joining us with another episode of Cooking with Chef Mario. Let's dig into our pancakes. Let's hope our guests enjoy the pancakes that we made. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.